It's Mega Breadvan Cam number 6. Hello there and welcome to a new dashcam video. I've been away for a little while in the southwest of France, so there's been a bit of a gap in videos, but I'm not keeping to the one video a week rule. I just can't do that. There's just too many things going on, and it's nice to get around to editing a video, shooting one and so forth, but I can see that I'm going to have to do a few more about Mega Breadvan. Thanks to a recent poll I put up, people want to see more tinkering videos and probably a few more driving videos like this. I'm getting tickled on the back of my leg by a bug of some sort. Ah, dear me. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. As you see, I've been doing a series of dashcam videos to demonstrate my driving skills or lack of, because I last took driving lessons way back in 1991. I never passed, and so basically the thing behind me here, Mega Breadvan, is a sans permis, so I can drive it in France without a license. So basically these videos are demonstrating my skills and also the skills of others. It's not there to criticize people, it's not there to point the finger, it's just there to basically demonstrate what it's like to drive in France for a Brit. And so in this video you'll see a little segment involving the puzzling, baffling priorité à droite rule, but then other people are quite inattentive and inconsiderate and so forth, and a few vehicle spots too. But I'm not perfect, I make some mistakes too, so those are going to be in the videos. So I've been away in the southwest of France, so I managed to do some footage down there to make up some new videos which are in the pipeline. So the first video will be me travelling down there, and because it's the Olympics, there you go, Olympic t-shirt, bought my Madam MB and my son when they went to the Paralympics last weekend. I didn't want to travel during the Olympics really, but I had no choice, and I definitely didn't want to go via Paris because there's metro stations closed and so forth. And the annoying thing was that the tickets have gone up by about twice the price, set to come down after, well, we're at the end of the Paralympics now I think, so, or near the end. So after that the ticket price site will go down. So basically I didn't want to travel through Paris, so I went via the bus and tram from here around the south and western suburbs to Massy, where I picked up my TGV. So I'll do a video about all that. I won't say any more about it, otherwise it'd be pointless doing a video. Second video will be of a very small car show. I'll explain why it was a very small car show and we didn't go to the car show at Montpont-Ménestérol, which went to last year, which is on the channel. If you have a search you'll find it. And some footage from the Brocante and some footage from the Friday market in Brantôme, which is always interesting. They sell all sorts of things. Third video, last video from in the southwest of France, is when we went to Cognac. Well, we based ourselves 2 nights in Cognac, and then went from Cognac to the coast, or the Gironde estuary, which is the river that comes out of Bordeaux, basically. So it's not really, well, it is the coast, but it's the seaside, but it's not the coast, if you know what I mean. It's on a river, on an estuary. But anyway, it's pretty, and you feel like you're at the seaside. You don't realise you're on a river estuary, as you'll see on the video. So we went there, and then a few one walking visit in Cognac as well. So those are the forthcoming videos. I promise I need to do some tinkering videos. I need to sort out the control technique MOT on Mega Breadvan. Lots of things I can do, lots of things in the pipeline. So I'll leave you to watch these video clips and stop waffling. So I hope you enjoyed the clips. It's usually the same thing because I don't vary my routes very much at the moment. It's generally doing the same sort of weekly tasks, but even so, you get a good variety of things that happen even if I do the same journeys more or less. But yeah, it was interesting to see how people react on the roads around here in our village. Yeah, there'll be another one in the pipeline, another couple in the pipeline in fact, but I'm trying to keep these videos fairly short. In fact, it takes quite a lot of working on, even though I've got quite quick at editing. But I don't want to go over 10-15 minutes of footage, otherwise it gets a bit messy and a bit boring probably as well. I don't know, you tell me. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Please support the channel, go along to the Buy Me a Coffee page. I've set it up so that I can include some exclusive sort of videos, basically behind the scenes of me waffling about life in France and all the other things that are involved in living here. And also things concerning the channel. So pop along to the Buy Me a Coffee site, you'll find it down here below, and thank you so much for your support. Of course, subscribe, follow, etc. So anyway, thank you for following me and watching my videos, and I'll see you in another one. Take care, bye.